Hi, my name is JP and I'll be making sardines yakisoba with sardines fish cake. Let's begin with our fish cake. Half of our sardines will go to our fish cake and the other half on our sauce. So we'll mash our sardines, mix the ingredients and then fry them. For our yakisoba, we will use these vegetables right here, some garlic and some onions. For our yakisoba sauce, here are the boring measurements with the K-pop soundtrack.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없어.
So we will add half of the sardines here and then go back to that K-pop music.
널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고.
So our sauce is ready. We are now ready to blanch our vegetables. So let's listen to some more of that K-pop music.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본다. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going.
Our sardines yakisoba topped with sardines fish cake is now ready.
무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이